All right, hello everyone. I'm super excited to be here with you today. I get the pleasure of showing you our vision for how we see intelligence integrated into one of the most popular ways that people communicate today, Skype. The Skype that you know and love is going to be smarter, more helpful, and entertaining. We're moving into a world where you will soon be able to plan trips, shop, even talk to intelligent bots, all from within your Skype chats. So I'm going to show you a demo of this next generation of Skype. Since it's Skype, it'll work on iOS, Android, Mac, web, you name it. But I'm going to show it to you on my Windows phone. So here I see that I have one missed notification. Let's see who that's from. And it's from Gurdeep. For those of you that don't know, Gurdeep's our corporate vice president for Skype, so I can't ignore this. So let's go into it. And you see I have a visual video mail from Gurdeep. I'm going to play it.
Hey, I just learned that you've been asked to keynote Codes again this year. Congratulations and thanks for everything you do for Skype.
That is amazing. I'm a huge fan of Codes. I'm going to send him a quick thank you. So right away, as you're seeing here, there are some new things in this next generation of Skype. You see this visual video mail. So we have a video message with the transcript right below. This is one of the examples where we're taking intelligence from things like Skype Translator and bringing them directly into everyday features like video messages. And now Gurdeep is telling me the team has sent me a little something, so that's really nice. I'll send him a quick little happy emoticon. So in this next generation of Skype, the other thing that you'll notice in the canvas is my personal assistant, Cortana, is always there in the upper right-hand corner. Cortana is there if I want to talk to her one-on-one or in a group, or even as you can see here, she's subtly improving my messages by highlighting key points in my text, like Codes. So I can tap on Codes. You see this rich card powered by Bing that's showing us that Codes is a real organization that Microsoft sponsors to really promote women in technology, which is something that I'm very passionate about. So now you see Cortana is actually sending me a private message. I'm going to tap that, and I go into the one-on-one conversation I have with Cortana. So she's telling me the Cups and Cakes bot would like to know my location for delivery, and yes, I'll share it. And would I like to track delivery? Also, yes, I'll share it. So right away, what you're seeing here is that the agent, Cortana, is actually brokering the conversation with the third-party bot, the Cups and Cakes bot. Now I see this rich card that is showing me that the cupcake is on its way and that it will be here within a few minutes. All of this is happening within my Skype chats. This is just one example of the many ways that you're going to start seeing businesses using the power of Skype and Cortana to interact with their customers. Now, since I'm already talking to Cortana and I've committed to doing this keynote, I'm going to go ahead and try to plan the rest of my trip. Please block my calendar for Codes from April 10th through April 12th. So you saw there I used push to talk because I didn't feel like typing. And right away, the other thing you're going to notice here is that Cortana actually has context from my previous chat with Gurdeep. So even though I just told it the dates, it actually knows the location and that it's from the conversation with Gurdeep. Now Cortana is proactively thinking about the next steps in coordinating my trip. So she's actually suggesting that I connect with the Weston bot. Anybody that knows me knows I normally stay at a Weston bot. And so what you see here now is Cortana has actually introduced the Weston bot into the conversation. But not only has she done that, she has given the Weston bot context, so I don't have to repeat myself. The Weston bot knows this is for Dublin and it's for those particular dates. All of this saves me a lot of time and effort. Now, there are suggested rooms. I'm going to choose the normal room. Confirmation. And just like that, in 2 simple steps, I was able to block my calendar and also book my hotel room. Now, there's nothing else the Weston bot can do for me, so I am going to say no thank you. And now because Cortana has all my relevant details, the Weston bot can actually leave the conversation. Now we're seeing a third aspect of Cortana. She knows my connection, she knows who I communicate with, And so here you're seeing her actually suggest that when I go on this trip to Dublin, that I communicate with my friend Janny. And I see this card. I could call her directly from here or video call her, but I don't know what time it is, and so I'm going to choose to message her. Clicking that takes me to the conversation I have with Janny. The other thing you'll notice is that Cortana, because she has context about why I'm pinging Janny, she's pre-populated the text with context around when I'm going to Dublin and basically why I want to talk to her. And fantastic, Janny is available and she's even going to show me around town. So this is just a glimpse into how Skype and Cortana, powered by Bing, can make our conversations more productive, informed, and fun.